Hey everyone, so today I'm going to show you how to set up webhooks in InfinitePay.io. Webhooks are a great way to automate and receive real-time notifications about events in your InfinitePay.io account. So let's get started. First of all, log into your InfinitePay.io account using your username and password. Once logged in, navigate to the webhooks or API section. This is where you can manage and set up webhook confirmations. Now select on Add a new webhook option to create a new webhook. Enter the URL of the server where you want to receive webhook notifications. This URL should be configured to handle and process incoming webhook data. Select the events you want to receive notifications for, such as payment success, payment failure, or transaction updates. Choose the events that are relevant to your needs. Now configure any additional settings if available, such as authentication or custom headers, to ensure secure and reliable communication between InfinitePay.io and your server. Save your webhook settings and test the webhook to ensure that it's working correctly. You can usually send a test notification to verify that your server is receiving and processing the data as expected. Monitor your webhooks through the InfinitePay.io dashboard. You can review webhook logs and troubleshoot any issues that may arise. And there you have it. You have successfully learned how to set up webhooks in InfinitePay.io. This setup helps you automate and stay updated with real-time notifications for your account events. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching and see you next time.